This is an aggressive topic here. I mean, this honestly might get me interested back into a potential move. Yeah, no, that's pretty interesting because that was very, very aggressive buyers and then move up, which were not rewarded. Aggressive, very aggressive buying, not being rewarded. So now, with that in mind, see the aggressive buyers, that says, okay, well, maybe we do have some passive sellers that were sitting up here, absorb that move up, those aggressive buyers not rewarded, maintain below that supply, see if maybe we can get a strong close on this 5 minute, catch a lower high if we do continue to see that sell pressure, but volatility a little too extreme for me at this moment. If this gives another signal candle here, I might still be interested, honestly. I'll give it a go. Out there, take a quick little paper cut, look for a re-entry at the zone. I like that top wick action. I'm gonna give this another go. Stop's gonna be above those highs. I like the way that's moving there. See if we can get that first trim down. There we go, filled first trim. Nice. So, look to trim probably towards 526 area next. Potentially get like a little bit of a break of that. Try to get like a momentum pop through 526. Get these contracts in the money. Stop's going to be break even. Pretty crazy volatility early, so I don't want to play around with these too much. Yep. Yep, I got a trim on that. Yeah. That was a nice pop. Very nice pop. So took that one off a little early, so I'll look to trim low a day next, or 525.75. Want to just capitalize on that volatility, on that pop down there. So what I'm going to do, either one or two trims off at the low a day break, and back in for just one runner to let ideally go for demand below, and stops break even on the rest of these contracts. But gonna give this a chance to move now. Gotta give it an opportunity to make a move it's going to do. Can't get bigger winners if you never risk some open profits, and that's just a part of the game. So if it comes back, it comes back, but I gotta give this a chance now. A little bit of breathing room. But I think it was a pretty good lesson on that first reject. I did like that. As soon as I saw buyers or sellers were not holding as I wanted them to hold, accepted that quickly, got out, took a little paper cut, and then what happens? You get another nice entry, you capitalize on that, and you're up. R to R is just heavily in your favor. So I think that's a good point of saying, okay, I'd rather take a little paper cut here than miss the move. If I need to get back in, I'll get back in like I did. But just a good lesson in not holding those losses to, pat your ego or whatever, pat my ego or whatever case may be. Just saying, okay, I'm wrong. Let me look to get back in if it does show that and wants to hold. Ideally, I would want to see us make a lower high area to kind of see sellers still maintaining. Didn't really see much of a reaction there in terms of 5-minute sell volume, but at this point, again, stops break even, so trades green regardless. Can't let it do what it does. It's coming back for it. Ooh. Yep, here it goes. Alright, break even stop on the rest is hit. And we still end up small green.